こんにちは。元気ですか？今日はな行を勉強しましょう。So far, we have studied all of these basic hiragana plus some ducten sounds like these. And today we're going to study these 5 hiragana under nagyo. なにぬねの. So let's go. So this is na line. Let's practice reading these hiragana. The characters in this line start with the N sound just like English N, but you press your tongue right behind your front teeth. なにぬねの. The first one in Nagyo is this one. Remember, your consonant is always influenced by the following vowel. So let's say and then say na 3 times. Na, na. Good job. Let's try writing this letter. The first stroke is this one from left to right. The second one is this diagonal line, and it also ends with a stop. The third stroke is this little diagonal line with a little hook at the end, and then the last one. Okay, very good. For this one, you have the shape of E and then say ni. So ni. All right, and it is a 3-stroke hiragana. Let's write it. 1 hook, and then second stroke, and third stroke. いいですね。This is nu. So you make the shape of u and say nu 3 times. U and nu. Nu. All right, let's write this one. This one looks so complicated, but it only has 2 strokes. The first one, you start from here and 2. All right, the second stroke, it goes diagonally to the left. Then it curves up and make a big rounded curve and make a loop with a stop at the end. Could you do it? So let's do it again. 1 and 2. Little loop here. はい、いいです。Okay, so this is ne. Let's start by saying e first and then say this letter 3 times. So ne.いいです。Okay, so let's write this one. Let's see. You start with a downward stroke with a stop. And then the second stroke goes a long way. The first, it goes from left to right, and then it goes diagonally to the left, and it goes back up to the right. Finally, it curves down to make a loop with a stop at the end. So this one is hard. Let's practice. 1, 2. Ooh, go and bring it up. And then bring it down with the loop. はい、いいです。And this is an easy one as a reward after 2 hard hiragana. This is no. Okay, so let's write it with 1 stroke. 1 and sweep motion at the end. This is の。はい、よくできました。Good job. Okay, you're going to read my cards, but this time I mixed with some old hiragana you have learned so far. So please take a challenge. Are you ready? Easy one first. の、ね、そ、た、ぬ、せ、な、て、さ、き、の、こ、ち、と。どうですか？できましたか？ I hope you could read them all very easily. Let's read some words with nagyo hiragana. Okay, so first one. Natsu, it means summer. Hinu, that's silk. Last one here is nukazuke. Nukazuke in English, this word means pickled vegetables. Nukazuke is a type of Japanese pickled vegetables made using rice bran. It's generally considered to be a healthy and nutritious food. And you make it like this. You put it into the rice bran, and it's a fermented food that has been consumed in Japan for centuries. So you probably have seen those nukazuke when you went out to eat at the Japanese restaurant. Here I listed some similar looking hiragana so that you don't get confused. Let's take a look. So this is what? This is ta and ni. Alright, how about this one? Please read no and nu. Alright, this one is na and ta. This one is ne and nu. So be careful when you read and write these hiragana. They can get easily confused with each other. Okay, dictation time. Are you ready? Today I'm listing up all the vegetables. So let's go. The first one is negi. Negi. One more time. Negi. Next one is nasu. Nasu. Nasu is an eggplant. All right, third one. Kinoko. 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 Kinoko is a name for all the mushrooms, all the type. And then this one is nigauri. 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 Nigauri is a bitter melon, but it's quite delicious if you cook it with eggs or fry them. はい。どうですか？書けましたか？ Could you write it? So let's take a look at the answer. So these are the answers. 4 words. ネギ、ナス、 きのこ and にがうり. Now, if you could write all four, put number 4 in the comment. If you could write 3 of them, put 3 in the comment. If you get 2, write down 2. If you got 1 correctly, please write 1. Now, if you don't get any of these today, don't worry. Watch this video again and then practice again before we move on. All right, good job. Today we studied Nagyo Hiragana, which means officially we are halfway through mastering all the Hiragana. Let's keep up this incredible momentum and conquer the rest of the Hiragana. それではまたね。さよなら。